I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a modern browser or Node 18 Plus, and a reachable API endpoint. First actionable step, build the fetch call fetch, URL method, get to request data. Use headers to tell the server you expect JSON, for example content type, and accept. Why do this now? Because proper headers and method ensure the server returns the format you can parse. Once done, chain. Then to handle the response object, and check status codes before parsing. Once you have the response, you need to inspect it. Check response. OK and response. Status, because a 200 means success while 400 or 500 require different handling. Then parse with response. JSON, when JSON is expected, that returns a promise. Await it or return it in A. Then, use async/await for clearer linear code. It makes error paths easier to follow. Make sure to handle non-JSON responses with response, text or response, blob, to avoid silent failures. To complete the task, send data by adding body, JSON, stringify, payload, and set method to post or put, include content type, application/JSON so the server knows what you sent. Once done, handle errors with try/catch around await or use. Catch on the promise to catch network failures. If things go wrong, log status, headers, and the response body. That reveals server messages or CORS issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If you get CORS errors, check server access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.